So following the measurement obtained, we can go back and look at the measurement, well, say the acoustic, the possibility of the location around sensor number 4 was 9 centimeters. So this is exactly what we get. We get 9 point something. So what it tells, the tools told us that it could be anywhere within a circle over here. So it could be anywhere, just with one. But with the sensor number 1, it was 25. So let's make it. So it's around 25. So you see 25 is over here. So it could be anywhere in a circle having a radius, of 25 centimeters. So the crossing of both give, let's say, a point, but it's right now it's a line because they are crossing. And then if I have a third one, I'll get the intersection of all those 3 circles indicate that position. So that's how it goes. This is how we can play with the unit before going back on the field.